Hey everybody, welcome back to another Sybliss Family Vlogs. My name is Visha and today we're gonna do a clean with me video. Hopefully you guys if you need to, if you want some motivation for cleaning. Yeah, so we're just gonna do a quick clean with me. I already made up my bed. I already cleaned my bathroom, so right now what I'm doing, I'm cleaning my daughter's bathroom. We're gonna mop and sweep up here. Yeah, I'm cleaning my daughter's bathroom. We're gonna mop and sweep up here. We're gonna vacuum the floors. We're just gonna straighten up because we are going somewhere. We're going to Dallas, and when we come back from Dallas, I want to come home to a fresh house, you know. I don't want to come home to I have to clean up, so I want to go ahead and clean up, get it out the way. And plus, who wants to get up on a Saturday and clean up when they can already do it? So yeah, by the time you see this video, I will be already back from Dallas because it's only a one-day trip. So what I'm gonna do right now, we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna go in my daughter's bathroom. I did her tub already. I already swept the floor. But yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and go because I feel like I am rambling. So just stay tuned for some motivation cleaning video. And if you have not, you need to go ahead and subscribe to me and click the little bell, because guess what, y'all, it is free. But yeah, let's get to it. Let's get to it. So from here, the video is going to go, and whatever music that, you know, Facebook have in the background, that's what y'all gonna listen to, because I want to listen to my music while I clean as well. So let's get to it. What we have here is my daughter's bathroom. Alright guys, what you doing? So I have, you know what, let me take y'all off real quick. So what we have here is my daughter's bathroom. I already did the windex, the windows already. And like I said, I already did her tub. Only thing is I have to, what is it called? Rinse it out. I had to do her toilet. And yeah, I clean with Ajax because that's what mama taught me. And I use this to just spray like the countertops, but I don't use this on my toilet. On my toilet I use Clorox. Okay. Got done cleaning out her bathroom. I already swept the floor. I leave that right there, the whatever it is, but I leave that in there. So now we finna mop the floors because like I told you, I already swept it. Oh yes, we're gonna do a we're gonna do a decorate her bathroom with us. Like we've been in here for like a month now, but I haven't done anything. So I haven't like decorated her. I haven't decorated yet. So now what we're gonna do is go ahead and let me put y'all some more. Her bathroom is like really small. And we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna mop the bathroom floor because I already swept. All the stuff that y'all saw me throwing out, there it goes when I was throwing out of her bathroom. So there it goes. I gotta get that up, I gotta pick that up, and I gotta get all that over there, and I gotta put all my cleaning products back. So I'm gonna show you guys what I do. It's really fast. So that towel right there is dirty clothes. I just always throw out all dirty stuff. This right here is her little rug. It's her little rug until we get one. So yeah, and this right here is trash. So okay, so yeah, that right there is trash. This is her little trash bucket. It goes in here, but I need to put a plastic bag so that it needs to wait. So I'm just gonna put it right here in this guest room. But yeah, it needs to wait. So damn it, my phone, not my phone, my look at all my cleaning products. Thumbnail. So let me go. Well, it's fine right here too. So my let me get down. So nope, right here is fine. Anyway, so my camera is dying. Oh my god. My camera is dying, so you're not going to be able to finish the rest of the clean with me video. And then plus as well, y'all almost fell downstairs, I have to get Nevaeh in 30 minutes. So the next time I vlog, we're gonna do a vlog about me cleaning the hallway, how I do this hallway area right here. But yeah, I do have to go get Nevaeh, and my battery is dying. It's ridiculous. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. And if you got any type of motivation from this clean with me, doing the bathroom, mopping and sweeping the floors, if you need to mop and sweep your floors and this motivated you, hit that like button. If you want to know all the products that I use, there they go right there. But still, comment below. If you think that I should try something new, just let me know in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Click on my face, that should be over here, and also click on my video, that will be over here if you want to see more of me. Love you guys. Bye.